Nike continues to prove that innovation is the heart of its global success, and the Nike Mind series is the newest example shaping the future of performance footwear. Designed to explore the powerful link between the mind and body, the Nike Mind 001 and Mind 002 feature 22 articulating synthetic nodes that activate key sensory zones in the brain, helping wearers feel more grounded and centered. Originally rooted in recovery-focused design, the Mind 002 evolves the concept into an everyday lifestyle model, supported by versatile colorways that match any fit. One standout option is the light khaki, highlighted by bold orange nodes underfoot. Both the Nike Mind 001 and Mind 002 are scheduled to release on January 6 with a confirmed retail price of $145. Whether the light khaki joins the debut lineup is still uncertain, but sneaker fans are already watching closely for updates on this next-level technology.